Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add a beautiful glow effect to any text in Wix. Whether you want to make a bold headline stand out on your homepage, or you just want to spice up a section of your site for a special event, this effect is super versatile and really easy to pull off once you know the steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to create glowing text that grabs attention, looks professional, and lets you customize the look to perfectly match your style. Let's dive right in. First things first, we'll start by making a black section on your Wix page. Head over to your Wix editor and add a new strip or section. Set the background color to black. This isn't strictly required for glowing text, but it's a trick designers use because glow looks much more dramatic against a dark backdrop. Think of it like stargazing. You only notice the stars sparkling when the sky is dark, so making your canvas black will really let the glow pop. Next, add your text. Just click Add and pick the Text tool. Then type out whatever you want to glow. Position it where you want. Maybe it's your site title, a call to action, or just your name. Take a moment here to pick a bold, legible font. Thick fonts usually look best for glows because they show off more color and light around the edges. Now, let's give your text a glowing shadow. Select your text, go into the Shadows settings, and choose a color for the shadow. Something bright, like white, neon blue, or gold if you want a classic glow. Then, crank the blur up higher. This part might take a few moments as you play with the slider. The idea here is to make a soft, radiant base shadow that peeks out around the letters, kind of like a halo. Don't worry if it looks a little fuzzy right now, that's exactly what we want. Alright, here comes a bit of layering magic. Copy your glowing text, then paste it right on top of the original. Wix makes this easy, it'll land in the same spot. With the new layer selected, go back into the shadow settings. This time, lower the blur so the shadow is tighter, less diffused. What you're doing is stacking a more focused glow on top of the subtle base, just like layering different lights for depth. It's a simple trick, but the results really start to look dimensional. Next, let's add one more layer for extra detail. Paste your text again. Overlap it in the same spot, and this time, go to the shadow settings and set the blur to 0. No blur at all. Change the shadow color to something a bit darker, like a deep gray or even black. This gives the letters a crisp edge so they stand out, keeps the glow looking clean, and prevents it from getting washed out. Once you're happy with how your layers look, head to your Layers panel or use the right-click menu to select all the text layers you just made. Group them together. This step is important because it keeps things organized and lets you move your glowing text around as a single unit, like moving a sticker, instead of a bunch of loose pieces. Just a quick note, if you want a stronger or softer glow, you can always add more overlapped text layers with varying shadow blur and colors. Experiment until you get exactly the vibe you want. For this demo though, these 3 layers will give you a really nice result. And that's it. You've made your own glowing text in Wix. Super easy once you know how. If you found this helpful, please hit that like button. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, or if you'd like to see more effects like this, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy web design tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.